Hello everybody, today we'll do this split and how to do it. I will show some exercises which help you to stretch. So first what you're starting to do is warm up. We're starting from one. We take our leg for our stomach and back. 2, back. 3, back. 4, back. 5. From this position, we open our hip and back. 2, back. 3, back. 4 and 5. From this position, we try taking this side and back. 2, back. 3, back. 4, back. And 5. Stay in this pose. From this position, we try taking this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Good work. And starting working with all leg. So take it 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And now try take this exercise. So we take it 1 with leg, with knee, with leg. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good work. After that, I will go slowly down and working with leg. I will try take it pushing more for my head. So it's 2, it's 3, it's 4, it's 5. Stay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Try take your leg and try go more in this side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I will try take my hands and taking this pose. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. Try take a leg and bring in this side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. More. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly sink in our knee. And what we will do, we will try to take it more forward leg and reach that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. After take two legs together, slowly take a little breath and slowly breathe out. And go down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and relax 5. So good job. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want good splits, you must stretching every day. You can go on my YouTube channel and see my videos every day. So thank you for view. Take likes. Bye bye.